I'm being like that movie. Paranormal Activity. Just hope I don't step on a nail. That would suck egregiously. Yeah, little campfire. I was wondering when all the snapping was going on. Forgot to bring my marshmallows.
Yeah, you have marshmallows?
I wish. What's the bear's hat?
Mm-hmm.
You have to throw your bear's hat in there?
Yeah. My ex-girlfriend's name is on there.
He wants to toss it in there as a let the past go kind of thing.
Good.
What are those pictures?
It's just cardboard, paper,
Oh, okay.
trash mail.
Oh yeah, stuff that you don't want to get out.
Stuff that Mom doesn't want to get out.
That's a good idea. Don't need that kind of shenanigans going out there.
Yeah, just cut off some branches off that tangerine tree. That's what I'm burning in there. All the logs are right there.
I wonder if we could sacrifice Jason.
All right, we're gonna have to get a goat. Cause the scales.
Okay. Yeah. Paranormal Activity. Woo. See the fourth one yet?
No, I've only seen the second one.
Oh, you gotta get into that. That's a good. Those are good movies. Each one is different, but it has the same content to it, or the storyline.
Are you watching the fire through your phone?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Check that out.
You know, you could actually watch the fire through your eyes.
Yeah, I know. But I like to see stuff burn over and over and over again. Hey, since you're part Indian, Jason, why don't you do the rain dance too while you're at it? Since you claim that you are.
I got my white card.
The white card?
Yeah.
I don't even have one of those. Full-blown Asian, bro.
I have a hat on.
Totally. I can feel the heat in my room too. Seriously.
Yeah, it's not that hot. Just hot enough to burn those logs down. That's all I'm doing.
Yeah. Well, Denver won, unfortunately, over San Diego.
Basketball?
Football.
Football.
Yeah.
You watch football?
Once in a while. If I find the game interesting. I watch it once in a while.
49ers won.
I have to say that Peyton Manning's got a good arm for a throw. He's really good. He's a really good quarterback.
What is that one?
That's a cooler pad. They don't really burn, they just kind of smolder. So I put it in kind of like a corner at a time. That's what's actually in there.
Mm.
Right there.
Mm-hmm.
The other one, because there used to be two of these, the other one just finally got burnt up enough to fall apart.
Mm. Maybe next time if we have a lava trail, we could just put it in there entirely. Too bad we don't have a lava pit. We could actually make things disappear entirely.
Yeah, they smelled that when they burned too.
Mm. Well, they didn't say no fire thing today, so no burn day. Yeah.
It's not that. I checked on the internet before I actually started doing this.
Oh, okay. Yeah, usually I hear it on the news, and you say, yeah, well, because of the smog and the cold air, that it really doesn't mix. Anything left to burn? Just that hat?
Well, let me go check.
Okay. Yeah, that thing's burnt to a damn crisp. Jeez. A couple of times when I went to Camp Verde a long time ago, we would have bonfires like this, and I would actually stick dead batteries in there.
Yeah?
Yeah. I wanted to see if they exploded, and they did. Pow! Just like grenades almost. Jason got a couple of movies that he bought, and I uploaded them to my Vudu. Tower Heist and Safe House. Did you ever watch Safe House?
No, I haven't seen it.
That's a good one. There's a lot of action to that one. Tower Heist is a funny one there too. Eddie Murphy's in that. It's not one of his better movies though.
Okay, that's Jason Barlow.
Yeah, you should. I told him if he ever buys any more movies, I'll upload them to my Vudu. So far, I got like over 100 movies collected.
That's cool.
Yeah. I even a friend of mine gave me a Vudu copy of Man of Steel, so I uploaded that to that. Whew.
See how it doesn't really burn? Just kind
Yeah.
of smolders in there.
Yeah, I see that. Wish I could zoom up, but I can't with this one.
It's because of the chlorine in the water.
Uh-huh.
If you actually got over there and smelled that white smoke, it actually smells like burning chlorine.
And it'd probably tear my eye, too, I bet, because that's what chlorine does.
Yeah.
Gives you a couple of tears in your eyes. Yeah, there's a fifth paranormal activity already out.
Oh.
Yeah, it's called The Chosen One or something like that.
And all it is like people putting up video cameras.
Yeah, and everything is, what you see is what you get,
Oh.
right? Practically. You get security cameras. Not only that, But you get iPads and iPhones and whatnot, which is really cool because they kind of expanded since the first one. So each one of them is totally different from the other.
Yeah, that's cool.
I like it that way.
Yeah, rip some cotton out of there. Do it oil on the fire. Get it started.
Just get that cotton out of your ears, okay? Is that your old bed?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Please.
that's the wired frame.
Your girlfriend's calling you.
Is that her ringtone?
Yeah. That's his ringtone.
Hello? Hello? I'm speaking into the microphone.
No speaking in English. Si habla español. When you work with people, you tend to pick up things.
John, why did you answer calls and she hung up on you?
Who? Your girlfriend?
That was Dawn. Said that. Whatever you said.
I said, no si habla español, no speaking in English.
She hung up on me.
No, that's funny.
Next time, scream out Yo Quiero Taco Bell.
Next time I'll say, this is Mexico. Yeah, I bet she'll never call again. Do you want to trade? That's hilarious. She hung up.